If you wear multiple hats within the business, it can be smart to make the most use out of your role centers. Right now, I'm a sales order processor within Business Central, which means that I'm going to be seeing things focused around my sales orders and the sort of state that they're in. Such as how many are ready for release, how many are released and not shipped, delayed, and how my returns are, for example. That being said, if I do more within the business and I want to see a more relevant front page to the system, through the cogwheel in the upper right hand corner, and my settings, here we can see my role at the top of Sales Order Processor, and if I click into these three dots, I can choose a more appropriate one. For example, there are things such as Sales and Relationship Managers, Business Manager for a large look at both financial and sales and purchasing areas. Maybe you need to also administrate users and their permissions. Inventory Manager, or even something like Purchase Agent. If I select this one and press OK, it's now much more geared up towards the purchasing end of the system and all the actions, bookmarks, and areas that might be of use to me. You can swap this as you see fit for the purpose of whatever it is you're doing at that time.